Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarambai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe. The funeral mass for Pope Emeritus Benedict XVI, presided over by Pope Francis, was celebrated on January 5, 2023 in front of St. Peter's Basilica in the Vatican. In the presence of about 60,000 faithful and over 3,700 concelebrating priests, 400 bishops and 130 cardinals, the last farewell to Joseph Ratzinger took place as planned. At 8:45, the coffin with the remains of Benedict XVI was transported from the Basilica to the courtyard in St. Peter's Square. Then followed the recitation of the Rosary at 9:30, the Mass solemn but at the same time sober. On the occasion of Pope Emeritus Benedict XVI's funeral, ANS, the Salesian Info Agency, offers its readers a collection of the many occasions when Joseph Ratzinger, as Roman Pontiff, visited Salesian works, homes and facilities, or those animated by the sons of Don Bosco, leaving his mark everywhere. The first visit of Benedict XVI to a Salesian house occurred in July 2005 during the first year of his pontificate. Inheriting a tradition already started by John Paul II, the Holy Father spent about 20 days in the Aosta Valley, a guest at the Salesian house of Les Combes. It was in the small secluded spot in the shadow of Mont Blanc and on the long walks through the woods that the Pope began to develop his first encyclical Dues Caritas Est. The Pope returned to the Salesian house of Les Combes for the summer holidays of 2006 and 2009. As Bishop of Rome, Pope Benedict XVI met the Salesians for the first time on the 24th of February 2008, the third Sunday of Lent, when he went to visit the Salesian parish, St. Mary Liberator, in the popular Roman neighborhood of Testaccio. The visit also served to celebrate the centenary of the consecration and opening to worship in the church on November 29, 1908. On that occasion, the Pope also recalled one of the parish priests of that community, the Venerable Father Luigi Maria Olivares SDB, and invited the whole parish community to persevere in educational efforts which constitute the typical charism of each Salesian parish. On the 2nd of January, 2 trucks arrived in Lviv with humanitarian aid collected by the Salesian Coordination for Ukraine Emergency Management as part of the program in preparation for winter. There are in total 3,500 kg of hygiene products and detergents and 24,700 kg of food. In the coming days, they will be distributed from the Lviv sorting center to Salesian communities and from them to people in need in different parts of Ukraine. From January 2nd to 6th, 25 formators from the Salesian provinces of the Antilles ANT, Central America CAM, and the 2 in Mexico, Guadalajara MEG and Mexico City MEM, are gathered at the Salesian Theologate in Tacuepec to participate in a week of formation. The annual initiative involves participating formators analyzing topics of interest to the different formation teams and related to the challenges faced in the initial formation of Salesians. The main theme is digital communication, challenges and opportunities in formation. On Wednesday the 4th, the talk by Father Pascual Chavez, Rector Major Emeritus, who is in Mexico these days to visit his family, was significant. The work concluded on the 6th of January, that is Friday. I really like Italy. I'm fine in Margherita. I don't want a children's future to be like mine. Everything I had was wiped out, destroyed in an instant. For them, I wish a peaceful and joyful life. Mustafa Alizada speaks in this way, just 24 years old, but with an already very troubled experience. He is in fact a young Afghan who took refuge in Italy, welcomed with his family by the Salesians of Margherita. From his eyes, always smiling and full of gratitude, you wouldn't think he's lived through hell. Mustafa has already seen so many horrors, and a piece of his heart remained in Kabul in his Afghanistan. With the Taliban taking over in August 2021, he was forced to flee with his family like all those of the Hazara ethnic group persecuted by the regime. The decision made in an instant, the only possible one to have any hope of making it, a tweet that saved their lives and then off by car at night, all covered up so as not to be recognized, all the way to Pakistan. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.